What if I told you that for 10 days every April, one single event pours $348 million into one Florida county? That's not a typo. That is Jeep Beach, the world's largest Jeep exclusive event, right here in Daytona Beach, Florida. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how this event creates one of the most predictable, powerful real estate opportunities in the entire state of Florida. Let's start with the basics. Jeep Beach 2026 runs from April 17th through April 26th. That's a full 10 days, right here in Daytona Beach. We're talking about over 250,000 visitors, 40,000 Jeeps, participants flying in from all 50 states and more than 30 countries. They take over the beach, they fill the Daytona International Speedway, they shop at over 200 national vendors. They dine, they stay, they spend. And this is not a new event. Jeep Beach has been building momentum for years, and in 2026, it is bigger than ever. Now let's get into the numbers, because this is where it gets really interesting for real estate investors. According to the official economic impact study on Volusia County special events, Jeep Beach generates a base economic impact of $124 million. When you apply the standard economic multiplier of 2.8, that total climbs to $348 million flowing through this county. This puts Jeep Beach in the same economic tier as Bike Week and the Daytona 500. Yes, that Daytona 500. During event week, hotels in the Daytona Beach area hit 70% occupancy with an average daily room rate of $205. Hotels are packed, restaurants are packed, and smart property owners, they are booked solid. So what does this mean if you own property or want to in the Daytona Beach area? Here's the real estate angle that most people overlook. Properties along A1A in Daytona Beach shores and through the Ormond Beach corridor sit at the center of all this activity. Short-term rental hosts on Airbnb and VRBO report nightly rates climbing 2 to 4 times above standard pricing during Jeep Beach week. Think about what that means for your annual income. If you own a 2 or 3 bedroom property in the right zone, a single week of Jeep Beach earnings can equal 1 to 2 full months of standard rental income. But it doesn't stop there. Daytona Beach's event calendar now includes Bike Week, the Daytona 500, Biketoberfest, Welcome to Rockville, and Jeep Beach. That's 5 major revenue spikes every single year. For short-term rental investors, this multi-event calendar is the difference between a good investment and a great one. And here's why the long-term fundamentals support this even more. Volusia County welcomes 4.5 million visitors per year and generates $5 billion in annual tourism revenue. The city of Daytona Beach has invested tens of millions in infrastructure, including a $35 million riverfront esplanade and major mixed-use developments. Property values have shown steady appreciation, and compared to Miami, Tampa, and Orlando, Daytona Beach still offers lower entry prices for investment-grade properties while delivering comparable returns. That affordability gap, combined with event-driven demand that only continues to grow, makes this one of Florida's most compelling coastal markets for investors right now. So, what should you actually do with this information? 4 action steps for any real estate investor watching. First, focus your search near A1A, Daytona Beach shores, or the Speedway corridor. Second, always verify short-term rental zoning before you make an offer. Not every zone in Daytona Beach permits STRs, but the ones that do are gold. Third, when you model your investment, build event weeks into your projections. A property earning premium event rent for 6 weeks dramatically outperforms a standard calculation. Fourth, don't ignore nearby markets. Ormond Beach, Holly Hill, and New Smyrna Beach all benefit from event overflow and are often underpriced. Jeep Beach is more than a celebration. It is market data. It is proof that Daytona Beach has evolved into a multi-season, multi-million-dollar economic powerhouse. The Jeeps are already rolling in. The money is already moving. The question is, are you positioned to benefit from it? If you found value in this video, please hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below with your questions about investing in the Daytona Beach market. I answer every comment. And if you know another investor who should see this, share it right now. Let's make sure smart people are making smart moves.